Hello YouTube, welcome back to Study Money, and in today's video we will show you how to transfer funds from GCASH to BPI and BPI to GCASH. So this is one of the most requested videos here in the channel, and today we will show you how to do that exactly. So what you need to do first, however, is to have downloaded GCASH and also BPI in your mobile phone. So kung hindi pa ninyo na-download yung GCash app and also your BPI app, then please make sure that you download already and then you create account into GCash so that you'd be able to follow the steps that we'll be showing you today. So presumably na meron ka ng GCash and BPI, then what you need to do first, if you plan on cashing in or to cash in your GCash using BPI, then you need to log in, okay? And then once you're logged in, then you will need to check on the options. Makikita mo yung cash in and then tap cash in. Now you will see there my linked accounts. So meron dyang over the counter and then online banks and then remittance. So if you're planning to cash in using BPI, so go to online banks and you will see there different banks, and what you will need to tap on or select is BPI. So as you can see here, wala pang naka-enroll na BPI account for this service, so what you need to do is enroll, and so you'll need to log into your BPI account. And in this procedure, okay, so there's the terms and conditions. You need to type in your username as well as your password, and then you hit accept or you hit login. And alright, once you're successfully registered, then it's just a matter of you selecting which accounts you would like to fund your GCash in your BPI account. So meaning to say, kung meron kang 5 accounts under your BPI account, pipili ka lang dyan kung alin, okay? And then once you've decided, then you put in the amount. In this example, we will put 500 pesos, and then we will just choose any one of these accounts that are enrolled in my BPI account. So we'll select that, and as you can see here, you are about to cash in 500 pesos using your BPI account. So kung set ka na and you feel that it's good, then you tap confirm and it's going to process everything for you. And before everything happens, it's going to ask you to send you a 6-digit OTP or a one-time password. So send code, and it's going to send you a 6-digit confirmation code to your phone. And please, a word of advice, never ever share your OTP, never ever share your passwords. We have a video about how to create a super strong password for your online banking needs and for your internet business needs. Okay, so if you have not seen it, please, I strongly advise that you watch it so that your accounts, especially your online banking accounts, would not be easily hacked. Okay, so going back to the OTP, all right, it's going to ask you now to enter the authentication code, and make sure that you have that phone with you bago ka mag-process ng code na yan. So once na matanggap mo na yung code na yan, then you tap it in there, alright, and you input the 6-digit code. Once na natap mo na siya, then you're ready to go to process everything for you. So ngayon, paano naman tayo magka-cash out or magba-bank transfer from GCash to BPI? So what you will do now is to go to the dashboard of your GCash and makikita mo yung options dyan. What you need to do is click on bank transfer. So it's going to ask you to select partner banks. In this case, alright, we'll choose BPI. And then what you'll need to do is to enter the amount that you desire to transfer to your bank account from your GCash. Okay, so once you've decided the amount, then you will need to put in the account name, the account number, and also you can put in the email address of the recipient. So, this is applicable para dun sa mga babayaran ninyo online. Kung meron kayong mga sellers na merong BPI account, then you can transfer funds from your GCash to BPI or for any other banks in that regard. So guys, I hope that you found this video helpful. And if you do, please continue to show your support by subscribing to this channel, hit the bell button, and also like the page or like this video, share it to friends. And for any questions, comments, or any other reviews or any other online banking tutorials that you would like for us to do for you, please put it in the comment section and we'll always be here to help you. So I'll see you in the next video.